friends, today I'm going to sing this song which is Mother Goody Bird, and it's pretty fun. It's like for preschool kids. So let's start. Mother Goody Bird had 7 chicks, and 7 chicks had Mother Goody Bird. And 7 chicks, all they could do was they couldn't fly, they couldn't swim, no. All they just could do like this, right arm. Mother Goody Bird had 7 chicks, and 7 chicks had Mother Goody Bird. All they couldn't do was they couldn't fly, they couldn't swim. All they could do was right arm, left arm. Mother Goody Bird had 7 chicks, and 7 chicks had Mother Goody Bird. All of them could not do this. They couldn't swim, no. They couldn't fly, no. All they just could do, what is this? Right arm, left arm, right foot. Mother Goody Bird had 7 chicks, and 7 chicks had Mother Goody Bird. All they could not do was this. They couldn't swim, no. They couldn't fly, no. All they just could do this. Right arm, right foot, left foot. Mother Goody Bird had 7 chicks, and 7 chicks had Mother Goody Bird. All the 7 chicks couldn't do this. They couldn't swim, no. They couldn't fly, no. All they just could do was this. Right arm, left arm, right foot, left foot, nod your head. Mother Goody Bird had 7 chicks, and 7 chicks had Mother Goody Bird. All the 7 chicks could not do this. They couldn't swim, no. They couldn't fly, no. All they just could do this. Right arm, right foot, left foot, nod your head, turn around, and sit down. That's the song of Mother Goody Bird. Happy winter break on December. Bye friends. Hope I'll meet you in the next video. Goodbye.